Professionals know that LinkedIn is the top place job recruiters look to find talent. But with 560 million profiles on LinkedIn, how are recruiters going to find you? The Claxus library can help. In 2009, Claxus invented LinkedIn optimization. Since then, we have written thousands of high-performing resumes and LinkedIn profiles. Now you can advance your career by using all the tools the experts at Claxus use. Introducing the LinkedIn Library. The LinkedIn Library is a searchable collection of thousands of the best professional profiles and resumes written by the Claxus team. Each uses the best practices recommended by the Society for Human Resource Management. Sort by industry, skill, function, level, certification, employer, and even country with unlimited downloads. Access to the LinkedIn Library unlocks a suite of powerful career tools. Keywords from a list of the most popular skills on LinkedIn. Infographics that will guide you to make a profile and resume that gets results. Microsoft Word templates that enable you to write your own winning profile and resume. Ebooks that empower you to create impactful text that will resonate with scanning technology and humans. Background images that will make your profile stand out. Claxus knows what works with job recruiters. We are the leading provider of LinkedIn optimization and career services that has enabled thousands of organizations, salespeople, or job searchers to increase visibility, sales, thought leadership, and brand equity. Now you have access to the same tools the pros at Claxus use. Get started today.